Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm your teacher here at Booked Up English. Let's learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is whom. Listen. Whom. Say it. Whom. Spell it. W-H-O-M. Whom. W-H-O-M. Whom. Let's write it. W-H-O-M. Whom. W-H-O-M. Whom. Thanks for learning today. Review all the red words using the link in the comments. See you soon.